Hello, beautiful people. I'm going to show you real quick. I got this ruler. I was like, where did this ruler come from? And I guess it's in centimeters. Yeah, it's in centimeters. I don't even know where it came from. But today I'm going to just show how I put these little non-slip adhesives on the back. And I've got a few different types here. I've got True Grips and I had another variety that I just finished up. So I started doing, you can see I have a couple on here. What I do is I put the big circles in the center for stability. And then this is kind of a bad example because it doesn't have the circle, the little circles. Okay, so this is my big one that I've done. And you can see on the little circles for the numbers, I put the little dots right on that circle because you're, oh, whoa, you're not looking at it anyway. And then on the big circles, I put the opening right over where this little cross is. So that's what I'm doing here. And, you know, some people may have, I got a bunch of these from, let's see what I got some from, make sure I put it on the right side. And, you know, watch your numbers. You want to make sure that you're on the right thingy there. So I'm going to do it right here where these meet. Yeah, right there is probably plenty good. Because I did the one ruler and then I realized, oh my God, I always do, like this is the side that I'm using most. So whenever I put my fabric on, no matter the width, right, it's going to be here. And if I do it over here, it's not going to keep the fabric in place. So keep that in mind when you're doing these little balls, or dots, or whatever you want to call them. And I'm just going to do a couple. You know, it doesn't take much really because these are pretty sticky. So I will put one over here where this thing is, and I'm just lining it up pretty close, just so I can see that my little X is still clear. I just want to make sure I have my light on there. And I kind of space them out just so that, say if I have one little dot right there. So I'm going to put one right up here somewhere. That's probably plenty good. You really don't need a whole lot. So, because once it's on there, it's not moving, right? I will do one on the other side because, you know, balance is good. So once again, I'm just eyeballing it right there in the center of this square, or right in this is in the center, this little cross that's right there. And that's it. So if you haven't tried these, and did I just put that on the wrong side? No, I didn't. They work great. Look, it's not sliding, but if I, you know, if you guys haven't tried the non-slip, and I don't think that the brand really matters. These I think I got from Temu. One of these was a gift from the Three Amigas. I'm not sure if it was this one, if it was somebody else. And I may have gotten, oh, you know what? I think this one I got from QuoteCon, from being super duper volunteer. This one I got from Temu, I believe. And the other one, maybe this one I bought. So you can see there are many different brands, but they're all really, they're the same. They really are. They're the same. If you don't have these super pointy tweezers, they're very helpful. I highly suggest these tweezers. I'll put a link for them down below. And I'll link these too. One of these. It doesn't, the brand doesn't matter. I mean, really? This could be the exact same brand, maybe just different packaging. This one says Grace Company. No, this one doesn't. But look, they're identical. This one definitely is Temu because they always put this sticker on things. And that's what I have for you today. Give it a go. Lock it down. You can see the difference just by adding a few. It doesn't take many at all. I have 6 of the big ones on here and 2 little ones. That's it. That's all I have. So, y'all have a blessed day.